Eastlack, and he asked, pros and cons for various finishing oils and lacquers for wood furniture. This is a good question, and I've thought about it quite a bit over the weekend. There's some things that come to my mind that I don't really hear many people talk about. And you mentioned lacquers and finishing oils, so that's the contrast that I'm talking about. It depends on your furniture. It depends on the look that you want. It also depends on the durability that you want. If you want something utilitarian, you know, just a basic dining room tabletop, then, you know, you can use like a polyurethane. If you want something long-lasting that will, and well, let me back up. Certain finishes look good with age. Certain finishes look terrible with age, meaning a scratch on one finish will look good, a scratch on another finish, you've pretty much ruined the piece of furniture. And that's the difference between what you mentioned for finishing oils and lacquers. Finishing oils, you can scratch, you know, or, you know, put any kind of wear on and it'll look better with age. Lacquer is very hard to repair, and it does not look good with age, especially a lot of the new finishes that you see in the furniture stores, because they have the toner in the lacquer. This, you know, it looks like it's a stained piece of furniture, but that color is actually in the lacquer coat, so they spray it on. And when you scratch that, that color comes off, so then you have new wood underneath and it looks like crap. So that's one of your major pros and cons between your finishing oils and lacquers for wood furniture. If you want something to be an heirloom, there is no harm in finishing oils. You know, a teak oil, tung oil, you know, linseed oil, any kind of oil finish is a fantastic finish. It's just that our modern ways kind of look down on it, but man, those finishes have been around forever. There's also shellac and wax finishes. Shellac is kind of an overlooked finish, pretty basic finish, but it's still a decent finish. So the pros and cons, oils are easy and they're very durable, and you won't have to refinish it after one scratch. They're easy to put on. The con would probably be water stains. They probably don't handle water stains that well. You know, the drink stains. I put my drink down without a coaster thing. But lacquer probably suffers, well, lacquer would suffer from that too. Lacquer's not very durable. A pro for lacquer is it's can be a fast finish. You know, you spray it down or you brush it down, and within 30-45 minutes it's dry and it's ready to go. An oil will take, you know, probably 24 hours, as much as a few days to harden to where you can oil it again. So it just depends. I don't like lacquers that much. I don't think they're speed. They're a finish for speed. And that's why you see them a lot in new homes and such, because they can get in, they could spray the cabinets, and then, you know, an hour later, give them a quick sand and then spray them again, and the finish is fine. So for wood furniture, probably finishing oils, you know, varnish. Classic varnish is a good finish. You can rub that out. You can put it down, you can wet sand it, and you can rub it out with, you know, wax. And, you know, it's a great, beautiful, classic finish. But that's a good question.